Attorneys representing 17 families have filed a new lawsuit against a former Celina ISD coach.
So the families say they want more evidence released. They also are calling for more transparency from the school district and also from police. Let's go to Fox 4's Alex Boyer with more on this case. Alex.
Hey guys, you know, those legal problems really continue to mount against Caleb Elliott. Attorneys representing some of those alleged victims are making several claims, including that the disgraced middle school teacher and coach may have shared pornographic images of minors on social media. A lawsuit details new allegations against disgraced former Celina ISD middle school teacher and coach Caleb Elliott and the school district.
There are a couple of new disturbing pieces of information about this case and this dispute.
State Representative Mitch Little and two other attorneys outlined the new claims from the 21-page lawsuit on behalf of the parents of 17 alleged victims. One of the new claims says Elliott used Snapchat to send pornographic images of minors to other users.
What happened to these vulnerable young boys is every parent's worst nightmare, and the tragedy is it just didn't have to happen.
The attorneys also claim there are several witnesses who say Elliott, then a coach and teacher at Moore Middle School, got into a confrontation with another coach about previous attempts to record and photograph children in the locker room, an encounter that reportedly happened long before Elliott's arrest on current criminal charges.
Every red flag in this case was met with a green light. This is a systemic failure by the school district to stop a known predator from preying on our children.
The lawsuit states in part this danger culminated in the invasive photographic and video recording of young children in a private space by a young football coach for his own gratification. This apparently occurred because Celina ISD placed a higher priority on athletic success than it placed on protecting the vulnerable young students entrusted in the care and protection of the district. In November, Celina police said they concluded their active investigation without discovering any evidence of a cover-up, but also said they remain vigilant to new developments. Elliott's father, Bill Elliott, is the district's athletic director and the longtime coach of the Celina High School's football team. Police said they found no evidence to prove Bill Elliott knew about his son's alleged transgressions, but attorneys for the families allege the athletic department was allowed to operate in a silo with little to no oversight from school leaders.
I think the big question that we are going to answer in this lawsuit is what were the institutional controls that were placed on the athletic department, and did the school district have sufficient oversight over the athletic department to keep children safe?
So plaintiffs are seeking financial damages to cover medical expenses, including physical pain and mental anguish, among other costs, including legal fees. Now, the district has said that it would share the findings of that independent third-party investigation once complete. However, no timeline has been given. Meanwhile, I can tell you that the Texas Education Agency has launched its own inquiry into the district's handling of the situation. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Alex Boyer in the Dallas newsroom.